In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account private. So if you want to restrict certain parts of your Facebook account to stop the public from being able to see this information, then keep watching as I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. So first things first, just head over to the Facebook application and click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. From here, scroll down to settings and privacy and expand the drop down like so. Click on settings right at the top and then scroll down to the audience and visibility section. Now it's in this section where we can make the different parts of our Facebook as restricted as possible. So the first thing you need to select is profile details right at the top here, and you want to go through all the sections in here and just change everything to only me. So to do this, you just need to click on the edit button next to the feature that you want to change and make sure this drop down here is set to only me, and that way the only people that can see this is obviously ourselves. So just go ahead and click save, and then just scroll down and do that with all of your contact information and any of this information here that you don't want the public to be able to see. Once you've done that, you can then head back out of this window, click on how people can find and contact you, who can send you friend requests at the top. I actually like to keep this set to friends of friends, but of course you can change this to everyone if you would rather. Who can see your friends list, set this to only me, then scroll down, and also we're going to change these two options here to no one, and once again change this to no one. Do you want search engines outside Facebook to link your profile? For maximum privacy, again I would recommend keeping this turned off. Then head back out of this window, click on posts. Who can see your future posts? You want to change this to only me as well. Also, a nice feature here is the limit who can see past posts if you click on the view button. So if you click this limit past posts button here, what that's going to do is it's going to go into all of your old Facebook posts and change the privacy so it's only you that will be able to see those now old posts. So obviously if you want to keep your Facebook profile completely private, you might want to do this. Otherwise, head back out of this window, back out of here. Then head over to stories, and once again just select all of the different privacy settings. You want to make this as restrictive as possible. Then head back over to the main settings menu. Finally, click on the profile and tagging section. Right at the top you'll see who can post on your profile. If you want to stop other people from posting on your Facebook, you can set this to only me. Who can see what others post on your profile? Again, we might want to change this to only me. If you come down to tagging, again we're going to change these to only me for maximum privacy. The reviewing section isn't too important, so we can just kind of leave that there. Head back out of this window, and now if you want to see what your Facebook profile looks like to the public eye, what you need to do is click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. This should take you back over to the settings page, and we're just going to scroll all the way up here and click on our profile. Then click on the three dots next to edit profile, click on view as, and now you can see what my Facebook profile looks like to the public. So as you can see, all of the details, all of the photos, everything is completely private here. If there are sections here for you that are showing and you want to make them private, you'll simply need to go back over to the settings page and you can adjust them accordingly. So that's it guys, that's how you can make your Facebook account private. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.